Abusua memao akwaba edeba Adom TV Nkuranhyensem dumadi so na edin amyeso no ye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego ena misio masuma no asame wira ho asame dia wurese wo mimu kamenyo bia ya me bobo nsam ho enwenwen nsam ho sa enso ade bi ahye me nkontomo a ahye ma me na ase a mankan be ha me ene se Ghana yesi yenya ahen 60 ahen 8 emfie eduasia enwotwe afenuma ekpa ke panyo 68 na me dwene ho a bebi amakos du no me kan hwan makoti obi na so meka our focus as a nation is on economic dialogues, on political and economic well-being and emancipation. You see, we are getting things wrong. But we've never thought about the human capital or the human economy. Yadi sika, ahunya dia, adanya infrastructure, akwai. But we are not asking ourselves, what kind of people are we developing? Mesremo enimdifo amo Ghana kromu a enipa bɛn ene ye kura won edi o ma na hye wonsa ukoye mfie mu a ye nwade atete apansam ukoye akwan so a drabafo eye de opɛ woni ye ton ade se opɛ ukombontin so a chese akakabe nsem ne chese na no no obi ka kire me se nkran ba bi udu a mario 12 years 13 14 wogina kwan no opɛ member enumpo de enten koda ba bi denti America say ye jai nipa no sumu ni afa sebe o mani ye die sikasem abotire a ye de ye nye. You see, the success of every country depends on strong and knowledgeable and matured human resource. Any economic whatever. And to me they coming kwa and can economic dialogue ni we are. I say human economy dialogue. A human economy is made up of the body of the person, the mind of the person, and even the actions of the person. Here, me kwa kurabi na say, me mbodi, nkurabe enai. Na nema me ko hu ye me yam shimie, na me yam shimie krachi bi say ma wo yam hyew na ampo na wo kan say konkran na kohwe. The prevalence of substance and alcohol and other drugs abuse is becoming alarming amongst our youth. Ebane dubone nom. Ebane nsan hodo nom. Any enofo fro nom, any akakabe nsem, any adwamamo a. So the artist say wo yemamu ha no. Ehu. Na sa asem we ameke, enya asem we benya nipa kro no ye substance abuse no po. The problem of substance abuse is not only harmful to the individual using the substance, but it affects families and societies and the whole nation. And nobody's talking about it in this part of the world. And then, Okobaba, a shensa, a beef, my name is Ramofreno, say capital, Arosto, Shama, Bibi, say, na Emrantiana no more. Niamuko din come here. Na a beef and no phone. When I'm always saying, just say, when him say, me no be kodinko, me name ranti be kodinko. Na asema meka na ase one time ase. Asema mechi omuno, ase one time yo. Just say, the mind has been disorganized. The mind of our youth has been adulterated and polluted. Maybe soon for climate change. I'm praying for a mindset change. Obi oni kromu, onye climate change. Non say wiemu. But media, I call for a mind change in this part of the world. Na yen sin konwa misa kwaya betime afa so eyi endubone nom akabe nsem na adwamambo ate ase ekroma na ye mrante anya adwempa ni susu papa ebubra. Enti na masuma no amehye program ase. Onyame kan ho. Onyame hwe so. Na me fan na se enkoma me nua be ma Richmond Mark Weber me fa bi nso nkoma eja we beka mpedu na me mragira camera chi me fa bi ma Thomas me ko sound me na Osugbo sisase me na make up fo nyina ase na Adom TV microphone nyina nya me nhira mu nyara on hyam do ma mu nyansa wo a onya mre hwe me de enya fide ni mfiri ha na Badwam dwumadi ne be koso anesa wo no nyame entina